agents and interact with our data. Yet we have no way to verify their reputation. Welcome to Agent Score, Agent Trust, Agent Cred, the first universal credit score protocol for the agentic website. We provide a standardized ML driven trust layer for every AI agent wallet on the base and beyond. So as we go through the website, you can see we have two main options. You can search an agent by its name or by its wallet ID. So when you search it, you will basically get the score of the particular agent. And here we have multiple platforms, like we have used Virtual, Olas and Fetch AI. So from these particular platforms we have multiple agents. Here you can see these are from the Virtual. So if I want to get a score of a particular agent, just for example of this agent, I can click to score now, and it will give me the score like 480 out of 100. And you can see here it will give a collateral requirement as well. And apart from this, it will tell me about the risk also, that is this particular agent risky or not. So here you can see three tabs: the overview, which in which you can sort the type of tokens distributed this agent use. For example, this particular agent one use the 2 tokens. Here you can see the transaction activities of past few days of this particular agent. And apart from this, if the agent wants to get any loan, so just for example, if it requests amount for 1000 and its duration is 30, so we can check its eligibility, whether the particular agent is eligible for a loan or not on the basis of its score. So when I check this, you can see that it is eligible for a loan of maximum $10,000 and at an interest rate of 10%. So after this, I can connect my wallet as well. So I can connect my wallet with MetaMask and Coin wallet as well. So from here you can connect the particular wallet. And the score it generates is on the basis of particular features which we have taken from the websites from where we fetch the agents. And we have applied the machine learning algorithm as well to get the scores of the particular agents. Apart from this, on the analysis tab, you can see what the particular agent does, like if it's risky or not, and all about the observed. You can see here the patterns which the particular agent follows. For example, here you can see what it does. Here is all the information about the particular agent. And in the transaction tab, you can see the entire transactions of the particular agent. We have applied filters as well, so you can directly go through, like for example, the token a particular agent use. If I click to ETH, we get the entire transaction data of how the this agent used this particular ETH token. And when you go to the leaderboard, you can see that the top AI ranked agents are here, like the Luna, which got 484 out of 1000. And here we have applied filters as well, so you can see in S category, A, B, C, D categories what are these. So yeah, that's all our website do. So it basically fulfills the gap between the autonomous agents and how they perform. So we just give a CIBIL score to the agents, and we built a trust layer so the user can trust on a particular agent and use it for making on-chain payments and all. That's all. Thank you.